Hello students, welcome to VZ Easy presents NCERT solution for class 12th, and today we'll be discussing chapter number 6. Chapter number 6 is all about molecular basis of inheritance. So in this particular session we're going to discuss two things. One of them is how to write an answer, and second of it is explanation of a specific answer. Okay, so students, let's start with our question number 1. So question 1 over here says group the following as nitrogen bases. Now, and nucleosides. Adenine, cysteine, thymine, guanosine, uracil and cytosine. So we know that nitrogen bases are adenine, thymine, cytosine and guanine. Now, we have got adenine, thymine, uracil and cytosine. Note that students, over here it is guanosine instead of guanine. So, this will be a nucleoside and cysteine is also nucleoside. So we've got our groups. So nitrogen bases are adenine, thymine, uracil and cytosine. And nucleosides are cysteine and guanosine. Now nucleosides are what? They are 5-carbon sugar without a phosphate group. When a phosphate group is added to nucleosides, they become nucleotides. Okay students, so here we have got nitrogen bases. So nitrogen bases are adenine, thymine, uracil and cytosine. And nucleosides over here are cysteine and guanosine. Okay students?